Yeah, hello, wonderful viewers. This is Familia TV, 33K TV, and today I am here to introduce to you a new unboxed uh, Arvek, that is H110 high pressure washer. And as you know, we have all the tools over here. This is the pipe that connect to the pistol to the machine. We have the pistol over here. We have the handle. Then we have this is the mouth of the pistol. Then you also have to get yourself a screwdriver. And here we have the filter that connect to the back of the machine. And this is the manual. So we have the machine over here. This is the regulator. Then we have the two holes. We have the back where you can connect your tube to the tap. Then we also have the cable. So it is easy to fix. Now we have to put the handle. Then you have to screw. You have to screw to hold it tight. So this is where you would this is what hold the pistol. And when you are done using it, and this is the extension of the pistol. It depends on how you want it, and it is also easy to fix. It is good. It's good like this. And then we have the pistol over here. So you join this one like this. You push it to lock. So now it is well fixed. Then we have the filter. This one has a sieve in it that block dirt from getting into the machine. So it is well fixed over here at the back. Then we have this. This is what would help you. You put it here like this, and this is where if you want to connect it with the tube to your tap, this is what would hold it firm for not for help you to help you hold the pressure. Then we also have this that connects to this place. So now here we have the lock and the unlock. If you can lock it when you are not using it, and you can open it when you want to use it. Then we have where this is where you connect the two. It is well connected, and in front of the machine, this is where you connect to the other side. The other side. So you push it like this. It is connected. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, follow us whenever we drop a new video. You can be able to be, or you'll be first person to view our video. So I think now it is done, and this is the pistol. It is done. As you know, this well fixed. This well fixed over here. This is well fixed. This is it. And this is the cable. So you don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow, and like this page. The name is Familia 33K TV. This is only for educational purpose.